So currently we are at the Goodwill, and we are currently in Dallas, Texas, ready to get it in, ready to get it popping. We're gonna see what we can find in this Goodwill right here. We're gonna see if we got some gems. We're gonna see if we got some nice suited and booted pieces. If we do, you know it's great. If we don't, well, it's not great, but we'll try to move on to another store and see if we can find something there. So come walk with your boy. All right, so we got a suit. We got one of those suits that I was trying on, guys. I'm not gonna show you which one that we end up getting, but we also found a matching shirt and a tie. Head to the register to see how much our total is gonna be. I don't know if I'm gonna be too impressed with the total, but it's still a deal nonetheless. So let's walk with your boy. Okay, so we walking and I'm pretty sure you're like, yo, you just spent $67 in the Goodwill. It wasn't on clothes, but I did find this authentic fossil leather computer bag. I can't wait to show it to you guys. Yo, I cannot complain. I know it's $67. I know that's literally the most money that I have ever spent in the Goodwill, but I got a great piece for it. I literally spent like $35, $36 on that one bag, and it was well worth it. But you know, forget it. Let's head back home in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As you see, we've made it back home and the alterations are about to begin. First things first, you need to know how much of your fabric that you're going to take out of your blazer or your suit jacket. Once you understand that and know that, begin pinning your blazer down as far as the amount of fabric that you're going to be taking out of it when you sew it. And once you get through pinning it down, then that is when your sewing starts, and you just follow up the pin line of your jacket. Wherever you pin your jacket up, just follow that pin line and make sure as you're working toward the top of your jacket that you are working your way slightly toward the original seam of your jacket, because you don't want it to bulge or bulk up at the top of your jacket. And when moving down to the pants and you have to alter some pants, you're basically doing the same exact thing, finding out exactly how much you want to take out of those pants. And once you figure out and find out how much you're going to take out of those pants, you just pin it down to the proper comfortable width of the pants, and you begin again just sewing up your pin line while working your way back toward your original seam. All right, so it's over, it's done. Finito, the tailoring is done. Like, I've literally transformed this outfit and I can't wait for you guys to see it. I've gotten so many just excellent reviews as far as the last video dropped with the cinematic element, but majority of people loved it, whether it was on this platform, whether it's on my Instagram platform. Oh, that brings me to a great point. If you do not follow the kid on Instagram, do me a favor. Follow the kid on Instagram at What My Teacher Wears. I did you a favor. I dropped the link right down there.
click that link down there in the details section. Also, if you have not subscribed to the channel, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe. Go ahead and pause this video. Boop. After you pause the video, hit the subscribe, then press play so you can see the after of this video. But that's enough of enough. Look at how it turned out.